The 6th Annual Digital Health Hub Foundation Awards seeks to find the most impactful and disruptive digital health companies. Out of 1,500 submissions, only a select few have become quarter-finalists. Let's learn what their superpower is.
The Clint platform is a patented, automated system that can analyze a single chart or all charts across multiple healthcare systems to provide healthcare providers clarity to complex medical record data. Clint analyzes the data in a patient's chart, identifies all the existing medical conditions and how those conditions have been treated to date, while taking all factors into consideration, presents the guideline recommendations to the care team during the patient visit. Clint can also determine a patient's eligibility for clinical trials at an unprecedented level of accuracy. Clint promotes adherence to guideline-directed medical therapy at the point of care, resulting in improved patient outcomes while making clinical trial consideration a standard of care.
Now, hear in their own words why they should win.
Hi, I'm Raj Dash, co-founder of Clint, the clinical intelligence company. In healthcare, we know how to prevent ourselves from getting sick, whether that's through a healthier lifestyle, taking our medications or vaccines, avoiding toxic exposures, or even navigating around our own genetic predispositions. But in healthcare, despite these advances, we have failed to prevent disease because we fail to offer patients the right treatments at the right time of their care. Clint is an intelligent layer of software that sits on top of health data of any kind and analyzes each patient's data with the same clinical lens of an expert clinician to understand the clinical state of the patient and transforming that knowledge into actionable recommendations for treatments and trials. So what are our superpowers? Well, we actually have two that separate us from the crowd. First is how Clint automates and scales the clinical lens of how expert clinicians understand a patient's healthcare data, capturing all relevant aspects of their clinical state and training those models on about 300 million patients worth of EHR data over the last 10 years. This allows us to be very accurate in capturing the right diagnoses and treatments and leading us to the right next steps to recommend. The second superpower is that recommendation step, that we are actually in the point of care providing direct impact to doctors, patients, and research scientists, as well as other stakeholders across the system. This is our Clint patient trial matching, Clint patient therapy matching, and our on-demand patient matching as well. Why do we think that Clint should win the Health Rising Star Award? Well, it's because we have uniquely combined the expertise in medical science and data science to solve two of the most critical pain points in medicine today: getting patients on the right treatments at the right time and advancing clinical research for patients who desperately need it. This is already helping patients avoid major health problems and helping research patients find trials that could be life-saving for them. Our clinical care and research networks are growing rapidly, where we're engaging more and more health systems and life science companies in trials and therapies, leading right now for us to work with most of the top 10 in life sciences, as well as a growing number of large IDNs and small clinics.
Follow their journey as they strive to become a finalist against a very strong field. Join us October 21st for our grand finale at HLTH in Las Vegas to witness the winners crowned.